always assume I have a degree in computer science, but I don't. I taught coding in high school for almost 30 years. I even designed our advanced placement courses. But you don't need a degree to teach coding. Coding is just another language like English or French, but it's actually simpler than either of them. Computers only follow short, simple commands. Learn those command words, and you can make it do anything. So the first step is learning how to do things in steps. Sounds silly, doesn't it? Let's start with Scratch Junior. It's a great little graphical coding app, perfect for younger grades. Scratch lets kids create their own stories. They can draw backgrounds, create characters, build scenes, whatever they can think of, within certain limits. Once you've got all of that done, you just have to tell a character what you want it to do. If you've ever played a video game using a game controller or the arrow keys on a keyboard, then you know what it's like to move a character around the screen. Instead of controllers, Scratch uses blocks. Each block represents one action. Turn left, move up, and so on. So you create a program by simply joining the blocks together. It's as easy as that. The great thing about coding is you can incorporate other subject areas, and the kids are so focused on the computer, they don't even realize they're learning English, math, science, the arts. Anything you want to slip in there, the possibilities are endless. The biggest thing about coding is that you have to plan it out. That's why you can code on paper without using a computer. It's pretty simple to do, but it requires thinking and problem solving. So don't be afraid to teach coding unplugged in your classrooms. You'll have fun, the kids will have fun, and then when you're ready, you can transfer their planning into the actual program. Teach kids coding. It's really worth it.